Hello, this is Chuck from Aquatic Artists, and this is Funny Customer Stories. I built a pond for this customer a couple years ago on the central Jersey coast, and we were finishing up the pond. The customer said, Chuck, I want sand all around the pond. Every once in a while, somebody wants sand. I said, okay, great. We get Mason sand that we get from the supply house that you mix cement with. And we bring it, we put it around the pond, and everything's fine. I get the sand, I put it around the pond. She comes out, she's like, that's not the right sand. I'm like, okay, what do you mean it's not the right sand? She says, I need a different kind of sand. I go, well, what kind of sand you need? I only know of like one kind of sand. So she starts to tell me how she's a sand expert, a sand spurt, if you will. But anyway, she proceeds to tell me, she's like, Chuck, come with me. I want to show you something. So she says, come with me down to my basement. Sand basement. I don't like where this is going, but okay, she hasn't paid me yet, so I gotta go. And she has sand that she collected from all over the world. Trays of sand, big trays, black sand, red sand, green sand, orange sand, like all these different kinds of sands in her basement. And they're all lined up. And she starts telling me, I've been all over the world and I get sand from where I go and all these things. And I'm like, well, now I gotta like have like a real sand conversation with her, right? So we leave the basement and I'm thinking, I'm just happy to get out of the basement alive, right? So that worked out. Now I'm like, look, I can get you Jersey sand. We're at the Jersey Shore, we're at the beach. That's all I can do. I can go to the beach and figure a way to get sand. So she was okay with that because that sand's real fine like sugar. I gotta take out the old sand and get some beach sand. I'm thinking, how am I gonna do this? It's the middle of winter. I need like 8 5-gallon buckets of sand. Am I gonna walk onto the beach and carry these things? Now it's December, right? So I have a beach permit for my truck where I could drive onto the beach. So I ended up going onto the beach in my truck with a bunch of 5-gallon buckets and kind of borrowing the sand. I didn't steal it, I borrowed it. I put it back later for the record, Your Honor. So I end up on the beach. Now picture this, I'm on the beach with these 5-gallon buckets, shoveling sand on the back of my truck. Boom, back to the job, boom, 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 get it all done. She loves the sand, she's out there in her bare feet, and everything worked out. Customer was happy, she loved her sand, I got paid, and everybody lived to see another day.